3, 2, 1, begin.
Oh, attitude adjuster showing that aggression.
Oh, it's like an axe there, just chasing because of maintenance.
David looking to get in the side of someone with pie hole. Get that drill up.
Pie hole is just kind of gently kind of hiding around the edge, going, please don't hit me. The other two are the more dangerous ones. And then coming in the side.
Attitude adjuster just will not stay down.
No, of course not. And that's pit time.
Enabled.
Pit is ready. Now, pie hole has those omni wheels, so you'll see it move really oddly, sort of sideways and all sorts.
Going towards the pit button, you just heard, no, Ben, no. Oh. Progressive maintenance on top of attitude adjuster, who for a second was also on top of pie hole.
That's a huge hit that attitude adjuster can make.
Oh, there's a little bit of slamming in there because of maintenance XL from attitude adjuster.
I mean, at this rate, this judge's rumble is going to go to a judge's decision.
Oh, no. Oh, look at that.
Right itself, easily.
Oh, a lovely
massive
smack from attitude adjuster straight into pie hole. Climbing over pie hole.
Scott just doesn't care. Keep hitting.
Scott's not driving this.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, yes, attitude adjuster Scott percussive maintenance, and here comes his own percussive maintenance. Although pie hole said no, enough of that, boys.
Pin was called there, but it got broken off. No one's gone for the button yet.
There's the pit button.
10, 9,
But
8,
it might not be enough. It's 10-second countdown. It looks like it's going to a judge's decision.
Destroy the pie.
2, 1.
Oh.
See.
And that's time. It is a judge's decision. Before we do that, we've got a decision on the judges match. Right, judges, I want you to take this, fairly. Handing over to Joe.
So first of all, we tried to disqualify you guys for firing your axes after the fight ended, and our ref would not disqualify you. So because of that ridiculous decision, I'm going to give it to attitude adjuster.
I would also give it to attitude adjuster.
I guess to make things interesting, I'm giving it to Deja too.
Ooh.
So by a 2-1, that is well done to attitude adjuster, driven by Judge Ryan.
Thank you very much
Ryan.
to our replacement judges.
And thank you to our replacement judges, Thomas, Joe, and Dave.
Okay, that's Fireball in the red, but Kugo in the blue.
Robot ears, stand by. 3, 2, 1, begin.
Firebolt straight out, looking to get onto Bakugo. Looking to stay away from that spinner. Oh, Firebolt going for the flip, but missing. And seems to have got its flipper a little bit stuck. Just spinning around, doing a dance. I think Fireball has become a spinner, or just wants to be a spinner when it grows up.
Pit enabled.
Not sure what's happening there. Bakugo activating the pit.
Going down. Pit going down.
Bakugo tried to tempt Firebolt into going into the pit, but now he's going to nudge him in. Is that what's going to happen? No, I don't know. We don't know.
The mouth of Fireball open.
Oh, Fireball getting slammed against the wall. And again against the wall.
That spinner not even getting activated. I think it's not working. It's just
the belt has come off. Of course,
that's what the green stripe in the middle is.
That you see in the middle.
So both probably looking to shove into the pit if they can. Fireball looking a little stuck. Oh no, looks like Fireball does have a little control left. Both looking for position. Oh, going towards the pit.
It's edging ever closer. Now it's right at the edge.
Can Bakugo get out of there without reversing into the pit?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it's very, very close here.
Oh.
Bakugo's side wheel almost at the edge.
Oh,
Is it
some
going to be dainty
deft
enough?
control from Bakugo there.
9.
Or is this going to go to a judge's decision?
Looks like
Six.
it might.
No, it's not!
Oh, there it
4,
is.
3.
Firebolt in the pit. Bakugo after him. Chris Sowery proving himself the definitive Sowery.
Robot ears, stand by. 3, 2, 1. Begin.
Here they go. Brastov going straight into Vortex and then straight into the wall. Velodrome chasing Vortex around, kicking up sparks from each of them. Looks like Velodrome is caught Vortex, but Vortex, yeah, able to get away.
Oh, Vortex losing a little bit.
And it looks like
a little
now it's got
control
Vortex
there.
is on his back again, but no, it's back.
Spinning away
alive
from
and kicking.
Velodrome.
Oh, that drum spinner knocking Vortex
Almost
away.
a big enough jump to put into the Alvarina area there.
Pit enabled.
That's the pit ready to go. Looks like Velodrome's having some control issues.
Oh, that's
Vortex BW taking advantage.
Cuts into Velodrome's side.
Brast off and Fortunate Son going at it in the corner. Trying to get underneath each other.
The pit has been activated by
Someone's
Brastov.
lost a
Going
wheel.
down.
Oh yeah,
Pit
It looks like
going
Vortex
down.
BW's lost one of
I
its
think it's
wheels.
Vortex.
Oh,
It is.
Vortex BW dicing.
Vortex.
Oh!
Vortex
Almost in the
got
pit.
pitted and then it launched itself across. That is a save and a half.
That might be the best save we've seen this tournament.
Yep. One of the tank treads on Fortunate Son seems to be a bit erratic.
Yeah, there's a few control issues going on here. Oh no!
Oh, who was
Brastov
that? Brastov.
flies into the pit.
Oh,
We're down to 3.
then it became 3. Sparks fly as the edge of Fortunate Son meets the spinning wheel of Vortex.
10, 9, 8,
Vortex's weapon
7,
certainly the threat in there.
6,
Oh!
5, 4,
4
3,
seconds to judge's
2,
decision.
1.
There we go, that's the end of the fight,
It's a
and it's the
judge's-
judge's decision for the 3 remaining robots. A lot of support here for Cormoran from the judges' table. Okay, here we go.
Robot ears, stand by. 3,
I'd feel sorry for Cormoran,
2,
but they asked for it.
1. Begin.
There goes Cormoran spinning round.
Oh!
Almost all the weapons come straight off.
Oh, poor Cormoran.
Oh, and there. That's Team Cormoran saying hit it. They're tapping out. Cormoran has stopped moving. Okay, so it's starting again. Okay, so we're starting again at 2 minutes.
Usual rules apply. We're looking for one
Robot
winner.
ears, stand by.
I've just noticed the size of that spinner that's on New York
3,
Slice.
It's
Oh
huge.
boy.
2, 1. Begin.
Creek Nestler going straight for
Oh.
just a wee slice. Something has come off. Oh,
Oh,
Creek Nestler
one's
is
out.
in the
That is
arena.
out.
Creek Nestler is out, and according to Mark Smith, safe.
Down to 3 now. New York Slice, Just a Wee Slice, and Arctic Furno. Arctic Furno's lifter looks to be destroyed.
The spinner is just trading sparks.
Oh, a
Look what's
huge
happened.
hit.
That-
Spinner versus spinner there.
For a second, it looked like Just a Wee Slice just
Looks
up
like Just a Wee
against the
Slice
arena
spin-
wall.
Oh no, Just a Wee Slice spinner is still going. Arctic Furno is still moving.
Yeah,
Just. Maybe
New
not
York
for long.
Slice just chipping bits off Arctic Furno. It really wants to go for Just a Wee Slice again.
Huge hits from those spinners as they meet. Pit is open.
Pit going down. Pit
Whoa.
going down.
Oh,
Nick.
that looks like that might be a problem for your
think-
Slice.
New York Slice is looking revenge after its second round match.
Just a wee Slice looking like it's going to be the victor.
Pause.
Fight paused.
It's paused so the robots can disconnect. Okay, so they are being broken apart. We're ready.
Robot ears, stand by. 3, 2, 1. Begin.
Oh, this ref one spinning up again. Oh!
Oh, another massive whack there. Does it look like New York Slice's spinner might not be able to get up to speed right now?
I don't think I hit New York Slice even if I wanted to.
No. Using those prongs now.
New York Slice looking like it's disabled.
Oh.
Just a wee Slice looking to be in control.
And just
Oh
a wee
no! Just a wee Slice
slice. Looks like
throwing itself.
pizza, 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 pizza. That's New York Slice is the winner of the four-way rumble. There we
Robot
go.
is
There we go.
stand
Turning it off
by.
and on again.
3, 2, 1. Begin.
Spinning up.
Okay, white one keeping
Everyone
quite
pretty much
wide.
went
Everyone
anti-clockwise.
else-
White one getting a little stuck on the
Nazumi is
arena
stuck
there.
on the pit wall, or was stuck on the pit wall. White one shoving everyone else into the sides.
Can White one get two
Revolution
robots
sending the
into
white
these
one
at once?
bouncing.
Oh, Barbara
Oh,
started
soft,
dropping
easy.
the hammer down there on Zumi.
Oh,
Revolution and Percussive Maintenance going at each other.
Pit enabled.
Zumi and Barbara Surgeon locking horns.
Yes, it's Barbara Surgeon and Nazumi locked together. Oh, they've knocked over Barbara Surgeon. I think that Barbara Surgeon is being counted out by Alex Bordeaux.
No, it's
oh no,
got a
it's
movement.
still going.
Pit going
The
down.
pit's going down though.
Pit going
The
down.
pit is getting
And everyone's very
activated.
close to
Oh,
Nazumi.
Nazumi
Nazumi backs
straight
into the pit.
Revolution trying to make its way around the pits without
Revolution
going
is
in.
kind of stuck. Nazumi quietly moving further into the pit to lower the robots.
Barbara Surgeon looking like it's basically out of the fight. Revolution gingerly making its way around the edge of the pit.
No,
but
it looks like
there
Revolution
it
has pitted
goes.
itself into the best it could.
Looks like it's just up to the wide and one and Percussive Maintenance.
Oh, Percussive Maintenance, thanks to Revolution, did not pit itself.
Oh. Barbara Surgeon looking like it's just looking for a way out, trying to get down that pit itself.
Wow!
Oh!
Look at the spin on that. The white
That was
one
amazing.
clearing. One of the white ones is in the pit,
9,
but it's been
8,
knocked out of the pit and
7,
back in and out.
6.
Looks like this might go to a judge's decision. Oh no! There's too many robots in
Oh,
the
and
pit.
there we go. It was being counted out. Over to the judges for another judge's decision.